So I've got the base coat on it now. Again, that's, let me grab the can. That is dark shadow gray, code CX, and that's Ford. And the duplicolor number is BFM 0360. It replaces paint T299. T299. It looks lighter on the can than when you see it with a little bit of a shadow on it. So when it dries and we put the final clear coat on it, I think it's going to be really close to the original bumper color. Close enough for me. Now we've got to put new chrome on, but as you can see, that one broke. Don't know how long it is. But what I'm going to do to replace this ugly stuff is I have some, this is good quality plastic or vinyl. It's chromed vinyl from Cowles. It has the 3M VHT tape on the back. What I'm going to do is take measurement off the end of that from the original one for the clip. And I'm going to take a leather punch that is just big enough for that tab to go into. Punch a hole the same place as that, and then I'll clip this end in, and we'll measure up there on the other end where this hole is down here, where the loosen this thing up a little bit. Whoops. And we'll measure the total length, and then I'll do the same thing on the other end. But first, let's go ahead and punch a hole in that. Let's see. Go ahead and clip this end in. So we clip that in, and then we clip that into plastic. Oh, come on, slide back down. Just like that. Now we need to pull it all the way down to there. Looks like the other end doesn't have a clip. It must have a retaining tab on it. I'm getting a rough idea of how long it needs to be. So I'll probably cut it like right here, just to give me some extra to work with. Now, how is that gonna work? If this is shoved in here, and that's clipped in here, I need to mark I'm gonna need to clip that in, pull tension on it, and mark where this should be retained. So where's the clip? Let's put the clip back on. Let's do it the other way. Do the short one there, and do the long one here into the body. Easier said than done. Well, maybe I'll just do it the other way. Let's do There we go, like that. So now, make sure it's in the channel. Stretch it tight, bend it. That'll work. I guess I can just do that. I could probably just stick it like that. So now it's stretched tight. Don't know that that's going to be enough though. I mean, it might be with the adhesive on the other side holding it on too. Let's pop it back out and see if there's something else we can do there to help make it a little more sturdy. But that is where it needs to be retained. It's right there. Yeah, I may just actually just stick it down right there. I think it'll stay. I don't think I need to do anything else. We'll just peel that off and stick it down with the adhesive. Call it a day. Then the other side's going to get exactly the same treatment over there with the other piece. Alright, here goes nothing. I'm going to peel back this section of the film because this isn't going to get stuck down anyway. It'll give me a place to pull from. Alright, so first we need to put this end in. Actually, I really need to go ahead and pull this in too. There's some sticky stuff. That's why it's called VHT, very high tack. Before I peel the rest of it off, let's go ahead and get it clipped in. Seriously, these batteries die on me all the time. So put it in the trim, squeeze, pop it in there. Then we're going to pull this all the way around. Start pulling this off. Pull this end off. Where's the, here it is. And go ahead and start sticking it down from this end. Now I can fold this over, stick it to the inside. That is not going to go anywhere. That's nice. It's a lot better than what was there. Now let me do the other side. Whoa, stand up.